To enable Android System Webview, you first need to understand what it is and its purpose. Android System Webview is a component that allows Android apps to display web content. It is based on the Chrome browser and provides a way for apps to render web pages without leaving the app. To enable Android System Webview, follow these steps. First, go to your device settings. Then scroll down and select Apps or Application Manager. Look for Android System Webview in the list of installed apps. If you cannot find it, it may be listed under System Apps or All Apps. Once you have found Android System Webview, select it and look for the Enable or Disable option. If the option is available, toggle the switch to enable Android System Webview. If the option is not available, it may be because Android System Webview is already enabled or it is not possible to disable it on your device. In some cases, you may need to uninstall updates to Android System Webview to enable it. To do this, go to the Google Play Store, search for Android System Webview, and select the Uninstall Updates option. After uninstalling updates, go back to your device settings and look for Android System Webview. It should now be enabled. It is worth noting that enabling Android System Webview can help resolve issues with apps that use web content, such as crashing or failing to load web pages. However, it can also increase the risk of security vulnerabilities if you are not running the latest version of Android System Webview. In conclusion, enabling Android System Webview is a relatively simple process that can help improve the performance of apps that use web content. By following these steps and understanding the purpose and potential risks of Android System Webview, you can make informed decisions about whether to enable it on your device.